Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're going to show you how to boost your soil health using organic mulches like leaves, straw, and grass clippings. Mulching is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to improve your garden. Let's get started. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, improve soil health, and reduce the need for chemical fertilizers. Plus, it recycles organic waste. Common types of organic mulches include leaves, which are free and nutrient-rich, straw, lightweight and moisture-retentive, and grass clippings, rich in nitrogen. Let's dive into how you can apply mulch effectively. First, prepare the soil by removing any weeds and giving it a good watering. Next, apply a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch around your plants, making sure to avoid the stems. And finally, replenish the mulch as needed when it starts to break down. Here are a few tips for successful mulching. First, avoid over-mulching to prevent suffocating your plants. It's also important to keep the mulch away from the stems to prevent rot. And lastly, use a variety of mulches to provide a balanced nutrient profile to your garden. Mulching is a simple, cost-effective, and eco-friendly way to boost soil health and reduce watering needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!